Hey, I just got this hat in from Clape and wanted to show you guys all about this. This hat is super cool. All right, so this is gonna be made with 100% polyester, and I ended up going with the all blue. I love this one because it had the company's logo, Clape, on the side. That looks amazing. It's gonna have a built-in sweatband, and this is gonna be moisture wicking, super quick drying material, and that is exactly why I wanted it. It's gonna be a strap back, which is a really cool design, and then we also get their ticket on here with their QR code, so make sure you scan that. Let's go ahead and try this on. So on the back of this, it's gonna be a strap design. We're gonna have a little bit of a buckle as well. There is gonna be a nice opening on here. This is gonna be a flat brim setup. You can curve this, but it is pretty stiff on the flat brim, so that's gonna just stay like that. You can wear this backwards as well, and it's just gonna give a nice, cool look. That strap feels really comfortable. It doesn't dig into my head whatsoever. It feels really flat, and I really like that. Again, we got the flat bill design, and it's just a quick dry. It's something you'd wear like hiking, to the gym, outside on a hot day. I would just daily wear something like this. I think it's a really nice hat. And that feels comfortable on the front too. You can feel the sweatband. It just like conforms to the front of your forehead really well. These come in all different colors too, so you can just pick them up to match all of your outfits. You get the blue, the red, they all look so good, but I absolutely love this hat. It feels amazing, fits so good, and this is definitely gonna be my new daily wear hat. Go and check out all the other colors they have. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.